You can also turn it off. You can definitely change the color, turn the color off. Now in person the color looks way better than what my camera is showing. The color is really nice in person, and you have all these different colors. So that one's pretty nice. Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing. Today we got this jellyfish lamp. So the box is a little beat up, so I'm hoping everything is in working order. You get a controller in here. Now this is, I've reviewed some of these in the past, so I'm curious to see how it compares to the other ones. You get a manual, you get batteries, you get a charging cable. So yeah, you get a power charging cable. All right, this is it. I don't see any damage, so that's a plus. You have your on and off button on the back. Play, oh wow. So wow, this one actually has music, it looks like. That's a plus. You can change a whole bunch of different settings. So yeah, what you do here is you pop this up and you put your water inside here. Let's see. So the lid does stay, okay, so it is actually solid. That's good. You just put your water inside here and then close it. Now, according to the manuals, normally what you want to do is you want to put a drop of soap in here. So like Dawn dish soap. That keeps the jellyfish from sticking to each other. Okay, so this says add 5 to 8 drops, which is 3 to 5 milliliter of detergent into the tank. So we'll have to see maybe a couple drops of the soap. Let's go ahead and show you guys. This is the controller. It's actually a nice controller. It's not one of those cheap knockoff controllers. So you got a lot of buttons on here, different features. This one is definitely more feature packed than all the other ones that I have tested in the past. So that is definitely a plus. More features is always, or normally always, good. So, and you know, they provide you with the batteries. So far, very impressive. So we probably have to charge this. I'm not sure if it's wireless. I don't know if it actually can be charged and then left alone. You might always have to have it plugged in. If you have it away from an outlet, there is a way to work around that. So if you don't have a USB plug, so basically you plug this into any USB port and it will power this. If that's not an option, all you guys have to do is get a power bank and plug it in the power bank, and you can take it anywhere and have this anywhere you want. And that just simply plugs in to the DC just like that. And now you can take this anywhere and everywhere, or have it at an awkward area if you don't have a USB handy for plugging into a wall or something. All right, let's go ahead and add some. All right, guys, so it is portable. So you actually can charge this. And this is actually Bluetooth. So you connect it to your phone. You can have all kinds of watering sounds and just different stuff. You can play music. Different colors, you can change the colors. We're just gonna, there's so many features to this, guys. I mean, so many things that you can do. Impressive. All right, guys, this is the jellyfish that they give you. So they give you, I think there's 3. You guys can actually have different sounds already on here. So you can press this button for different sounds. I mean, this has a lot that you can do. You guys are going to have fun learning all the options because there's so much you can do. It's actually pretty cool. All right, guys, they give you this tool, and this tool is designed to get the air out of your jellyfish. So you open up your tank, and what you do is you just kind of, it's a little easier to do this with 2 hands, but you just kind of turn your jellyfish around, upside down, get the air out of your jellyfish.
Bluetooth devices ready.
So yeah, you can connect your Bluetooth and play music as well. You just go under your Bluetooth settings and connect. But overall, it's pretty cool.
iSound Bluetooth devices ready.
They have these pre-sounds that you can use as well. And of course you can adjust the speed of the pump and the colors. Overall, guys, it's pretty cool.